Welcome back. This is dictation 2.3. Okay, make sure you have your paper. You should already have your journal just in case you need it, okay? Remember, you can pause this video anytime you need to, okay? Make sure you have your name on your paper. This is lesson 2.3. Substep 2.3, lesson 2. Make sure you have the date that's on the board, okay? So your first sound, echo the sound I. Okay, write that sound on number 1. Echo the sound eh. Okay, write that sound on number 2. Echo the sound O. Write that sound on number 2. Echo the sound I. Write that sound on number 2. Okay, your real words. First word is gold. G-old. Gold. Spell it on the line. Next word is jolt. J-olt. Jolt. Write it on the line. Jolt is like when it's like a jerk or something quick and fast happens and it moves your body fast, okay? Next one, find. Find. Next one, number 4, wild. Wild. Number 5, told. Told. Okay? Cross out your nonsense words. You don't have any. Next, moving on to high frequency sight words. You should know these. Okay? These don't follow rules, so you can't tap them. Okay? Number 1, through. Number 2, massage. Okay, now for sentences. Number 1, repeat the sentence. Bob had a bad cold. Okay, go ahead and repeat that. Write it on the line. When you proofread, point to each word so you know you got it correct and you didn't miss any. Tap the sounds. These follow rules. Circle the word had and a because those are sight words. You should know how to spell those from memory. Okay, and also make sure you check your capitalization, punctuation, and if you have an exception, make sure you box it. Remember, put a C underneath and then cross out the C. Okay, remember how we do exceptions? If you don't, just ask. Okay, and then go back in your dictation page and go back to your real words and box those exceptions. You box them like this. I'll show you. So for instance, colt. That's a baby horse. We're going to box this because this O is long, so it gets a macron, okay? It's long. And then it's still a closed syllable because that L and T is closing in the vowel, but you put an X. That means exception to the closed syllable rule because the O is long, and normally they're short, okay? All right, so number 2, Jim was in a bind with Tom. Okay, so go ahead and say that sentence. Check your punctuation, capitalization. Go ahead and circle your sight words. Was, in, a, and with. Make sure those are spelled correctly. They're sight words. Okay, moving right along. 3, Bill is the best host. Okay, go ahead and write that sentence. Make sure you proofread, pointing to each word, making sure it's there. Star any bonus letters, underline any blends, box any weld, box and cross out the C for any exceptions. Okay, go back and check your work. Make sure you marked your paper, and you have a good day. Good job.